It's the Bryan Singer film. It's just probably United Artists Takeover. So. Yeah, this. Yeah. It does have a scratch on it because, yeah. I need to watch this film, so.
The world's greatest detective is back. Clearly a violation. Fix that chicken! Stop this guy immediately! And he's on his biggest case.
The legendary Pink Panther diamond has been stolen.
Ever. Now he's assembling an international dream team.
Your name? Tell
me more about Inspector Clouseau. He's a little strange. Clouseau. His mind is sharper.
What do you think this is?
A tape recorder?
No, it only looks like a tape recorder. It's actually a pen.
His moves are faster.
The secret to a successful karate attack is the element of surprise. Good one.
Thank you. And he's showing the world.
To better visualize the crime, I'm going to place myself in your position.
He's up for the job.
We've got to find out what they're saying. How? Let me handle it.
Should we take him off the case?
Oh, let's wait till he does something really embarrassing.
The Pink Panther 2.
There. It is out.
I was always very interested to meet you. I heard so much about you from Vespa. If she hadn't killed herself, we would have had you too.
Are you going to tell us who you work for?
The first thing you should know about us is that we have people everywhere.
I thought I could trust you. You said you weren't motivated by revenge.
I'm motivated by my duty.
I think you're so blinded by inconsolable rage that you don't care who you hurt. When you can't tell your friends from your enemies, it's time to go.
You don't have to worry about me.
Restrict Bond's movements. Put a stop on his passports. Find Bond.
How long have I got? 30 seconds. Well, this will give us a lot of time.
of solace. James Bond film, now available on DVD.
Dad!
Oh, my darling. Happy birthday.
Dad, guess what? You know my friend Amanda?
Yep.
Her cousins asked us to spend vacation with them.
Critics are calling Bride Wars a production
wanna go.
story.
Hi, Daddy.
You were supposed to call me when you land.
There's someone here.
What?
Oh my God, they got Amanda. They're coming.
All right, listen to me. Go to the next bedroom. Under the bed. Tell me when you're there.
Thank you.
Now, the next part is very important. They're going to take you. I don't know who you are. I don't know what you want. If you're looking for ransom, I can tell you I don't have money. But what I do have are a very particular set of skills. Skills I've acquired over a very long career. Skills that make me a nightmare for people like you. What are they? If you let my daughter go now, that'll be the end of it.
You have a 96-hour what? Can never find her.
No.
But if you don't, I will look for you. Where is she? I will find you. I will kill you. Good luck.
Taken, a film by Pierce Marshall. By the Class Fiction Raimi Administration, www.filmrings.com.